Hello people and welcome back to Maxi channel, a channel that features only the best moto content out there. We got it all: close calls, kindness, crashes, police versus bikers encounters and many more. All the clips used in this episode are strictly for educational purposes and hopefully you can learn something out of them. Without any further ado, let's get this episode underway. Rude lady got in front of the biker, but she denied it all once the biker confronted her. Talk about your usual self-entitled behavior.
You... No.
I was avoiding the speed humps because
I know.
this is where I live.
Yes.
Yeah? So it wasn't terrible driving.
No,
at
what you
all.
did
and
was-
I was very aware of you.
No,
and
what
that's
you-
all I needed to know. Thank
What you did was cut in on me.
Crazy drivers started changing lanes without considering that someone might be on the road as well.
What is up, you guys? It is Tice here, back with yet another video. I've been lacking on.
As the biker came out of the store, he was stopped by a cute lady who was collecting donations for some sort of an organization. The biker was definitely caught off guard here, and he ended up donating some of his money.
Before you head back out, sir,
Huh?
see what we're doing today?
No.
Check it out. I'm Haley, by the way. What was your name?
My name is Tyson.
Tyson. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Real quick, Tyson, I'm just with Stand for the Silent, so I'm just out here doing some anti-bullying and suicide prevention for kids. Yeah, which one makes sense for you? They're just one-time
Dang.
donations, cash, check, card, whatever's easiest.
Hmm.
And do you want your receipt just under Tyson, or?
Yeah, how much, how do you donate? Like, do you have to pick one of these?
So these just show how far it goes on a classroom level, like the best way to help out, but it's totally up to you, the donation size. Yeah.
I have some cash. I can just give you like cash.
Cool. Do you want your receipt? We are tax deductible.
Nah.
Okay, no worries.
I don't know how much this is.
Awesome. Well, thank you.
You're welcome.
Appreciate you. Watch your
Yeah.
head on the way out. My tarp's
Oh.
hanging down.
Oh yeah. I make YouTube videos.
Well, thank you. So do I. I'll check it out.
Do it. Check it out. Bye.
In this situation, the driver ran a red light, and the worst thing about this all is that he nearly hit the biker head on as well. There was zero ambition and intent to check the side mirrors before changing lanes, and the biker was on the receiving end of it all. Crazy tractor driver pulled out in front of the biker without a single care about what might happen in case of a crash. Just because he's in a big machine, that doesn't give him the right to endanger others in traffic.
Deja vu, I've just been in this place before. Higher on the street, and I know it's my time to go.
What the hell? Tikta nahi hai kya?
Biker came across a careless pickup truck driver who didn't care about his turn signals or his side mirrors. This guy went full in beast mode while changing lanes.
I turn now. Good luck, everybody else.
Two bikers nearly collided into each other, and all because the biker in front didn't look at his mirrors while trying to pass a bus that was in front. Chevy driver stopped to let the biker in, but these things can be really dangerous, and I'd advise you to never cut the road like that, simply because you can never know who and how fast someone might pass by and hit you. Biker didn't slow down as he rode uphill, and everything was cool until he reached the top and started falling down. This is where speed got the better of him. This group of bikers stopped at a gas station, and while they were waiting for all members to arrive, one biker caught a chilling close call. Check it out.
DC.
Circle K on Adams. Circle K on Adams.
Circle K on Adams. Oh, oh, it is. Oh my God.
Traffic nowadays is hectic and full of fails and mistakes everywhere you turn your head around. The ones who are usually on the receiving end of it all are bikers, cyclists and pedestrians, since they are not protected by a chunk of metal like cars or truck drivers. Even the slightest contact can cause fatal injuries, and you can never be cautious enough. Main purpose of this channel is to show you the mistakes done by others, and with that we're trying to open your eyes to what's really important and how to properly act in given situations. Lane splitting is a great way to escape the rush hour, but it most certainly comes with a dangerous side to it. You need to indicate a bit earlier before making a turn, but this driver did the complete opposite. He stopped and he then indicated. Biker nearly took out a pedestrian as he was filtering through traffic. She was crossing the road at no crosswalk and barely managed to stop on time.
My strongest potions will kill you, traveler. You can't handle my strongest potions. You better go.
What the
Moments earlier, this biker popped a wheelie, but he didn't notice a cop at the intersection. As soon as he saw a cop, the biker pulled over on his own, since he was sure the cop saw him. Check out what happened.
Sorry, boss. I thought you were coming after me, so I figured I'd just stop. No, sir. Okay, I'm just... Yeah, I saw you moving. I thought you were parked right there. I was like, oh man, well...
I pulled in here to make a phone call and I was just backing out.
I got you, brother. Take it easy.
Amiga, calculale mejor si sabes que no llegas. Caminás a medio por hora. Bueno, calculale mejor, boludo. Qué gato, justo me cerraste, Gracias, varón. Qué gato le dice. Opa. Pasá. Prefiero tenerte adelante y verte que...
Biker was nearly hit by a lady who pulled out in front of him, but this situation didn't end just there. Now, a lot of people would move on about their day, but this lady did something a lot of people wouldn't. She turned around and got out of her car to check on the biker and apologize.
I gotcha.
Step on it fast.
Okay. All right. It's okay. It's all right, ma'am. I appreciate you coming back. It's okay. You have a good day.
What the f?
It takes at least one to pay attention in order to avoid an accident, and luckily, the biker was the one who noticed a potential threat, so he moved over to the side in order to avoid a collision.
Fucking dumb cunt.
driver didn't check his mirrors, and it almost came to a collision with the biker because of his careless act. This is why we say all the time that checking your mirrors is of crucial importance in traffic.
Vai embora. Pô, não pede desculpa não, irmão? Pô, desse jeito tu mata um, pô.
Out of all the places to be, walking across the road where there is no crosswalk is the most dangerous thing a pedestrian can do. Always make sure to avoid acting like this. This biker was just riding around and chilling, but he noticed a pedestrian laying on the ground. He has health issues, and as soon as the biker noticed that, he pulled over to offer first aid, and he even called the medics. Sometimes, superheroes don't wear capes, they ride bikes.
怎么了师傅？能听见吗师傅？怎么了师傅？
A lot of people gathered to check on the guy who fell down, and it's so nice to see people showing concern for others. Biker stayed with him the entire time, and he tried his best to keep him conscious until the pros arrive. This is how you set a great example, people. And hats off to this cool biker for doing that. With this clip, we conclude another epic episode on Maxi channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and learning something out of all the mistakes you saw. After all, the purpose of this channel is to teach you how to be a better driver from the mistakes of others. If you like this type of content, make sure to leave a like, because that would help out a lot. While you're at it, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content we put out. Until the next episode, ride safe and take care.